In this video, I will show you step by step on how to import from China using Pinduoduo without using agents. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to buy from Pinduoduo without using agents. So let's get started. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or iDoFisher, you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy on Pinduoduo and import from China to whatever country of your choice. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is to head over to my Pinduoduo app right here. I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up your Pinduoduo, it's going to load up like this. So the next thing you want to do is to search for an item. So there are two ways to search for item on Pinduoduo app. You can use the type search from the top right here to type in the keyword of the particular item you want to purchase. Or the better still, you make use of the camera icon here when you upload the picture of the item you want to purchase. So these are the two ways by which you can use to search for item on Pinduoduo. So after you have successfully searched for a particular item you would like to purchase or to buy on Pinduoduo, next thing you want to do is to add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, I have made step-by-step video on how you can add an item to cart on Pinduoduo shopping app. So after you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your profile. Then I'll get to your profile. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your cart. So right here, I have the item on my cart right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. I'm going to purchase this item right here. So these two slippers, I have had them into the cart, different sizes. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then it's take me to this page right here. So you can see at the top right here, your shipping address is going to be found right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you can check on the quantity and the sizes you are the like. So you can see right here, have black here and have another color right here. So you can scroll down right here. You have different means of payment. But as for me, I'm going to make use of my Alipay to pay this particular seller. So my Alipay is going to be active. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. So at this point here, I need to click on here to confirm my payment, then enter my payment password. Boom. So the payment has been done successful. So I can go back to my profile now. By the time I refresh my profile, so the product is going to be found right here. So by the time I click on here, you're going to see the two slippers I just purchased successful Pinduoduo. So the first one here, the second one right here. So this is how to buy from supplier on Pinduoduo shopping app, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to coach you step by step to be a procurement agent, or you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taoba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. So thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.